Member of Parliament Dr. BIMOL Akoizam today raised the pressing issue of Manipur's internally displaced persons during 0 hour in the LOK SABHA. He highlighted the continued suffering of thousands of displaced families still living in relief camps nearly 3 years after the crisis began. Dr. BIMOL urged the government to present a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure the safe and dignified return of all IDPs before the 3rd anniversary of the conflict. He stressed that the prolonged displacement has deeply affected the lives and livelihoods of people across the state and called for urgent, accountable actions from the centre. Dr. BIMOL Akoizam expressed concern over the treatment of internally displaced persons during recent protests in Manipur. He stated that IDPs who have been suffering for nearly 3 years were tear-gassed and dispersed despite peacefully demanding safety and the return to their homes. He termed the government's alleged inaction for their rehabilitation as similar to supporting those who are against their return. Dr. BIMOL termed the situation, quote-unquote, deeply troubling and stressed that those who have been living in camps for over 2 years deserve compassion, not confrontation. He urged the government to take urgent steps to address their grievances, ensure their safety, and facilitate their dignified return.
Akoina kauroidabadi chahi ani sujala abada ngasi bawada maraibak thidna leiraba lanjena ribe reicha singna se sarkar na masagi tawbam thokpa mathaudang pangthoktabadagi thokibani mathakta mukshu hanjanhanaba honabagi mahutta makoibu hanjanadana honabagi mateng pangsanba thabak tawbagi mami yamna chauna lei masi yamna laibak thiningai ni. So I like to draw the attention of this house to the fact that there are more than thousands and thousands of people are still linguisting in relief camp, and I appeal to the government of India that they should draw up a concrete, honest and transparent plan to ensure that these people go back to their homes before we mark the 3rd anniversary of the crisis that began on 3rd of May 2023.